Hey guys, hope you all passed great holidays. As you can see, I have a new HD camera. So we will begin the year with a 6-pack of MightyBeanz Series 4. Here it's written play cool games, and we have a chance to get a triangle bean in this area. So here, find the limited edition chocolate mousse bean and look for the limited edition triangle beans. Play 'em, race 'em, collect 'em, and now find 'em. Classic Mega Crystal Glow and Triangle is the largest variety of beans ever. Woohoo! So let's get that opened. So here, the visible bean is number 411 mullet bean. Here's number 502 Vampire Dr. Bean. Here's number 415 Chicken Plucker Bean. And number 465 Emu Bean. Here at the bottom part where we find our rares. So the mega is number 439 Aussie Chef Bean. And the crystal bean is number 473 Piranha Bean. So, here's the collector's guide. So, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if it's not already done. So, I'll see you guys next video.